welcome to Accra. To me again, still here in the capital city. It's another Accra City Tour today, and of course, you're getting to join me. Today, I'm here with Dr. Anupma Sethi. She is an Indian but lives and works in the US. She's here in Ghana for the first time, and I have the pleasure of showing her around. Of course, I want you to come along with us. So we made a stop at the Arts Center here in Accra, where Anupma was welcomed in style, and she tried her hands at drumming also.
So we are going to do something practical, like music. It's simple. It's I down play, I down play, I down. Very good. Good student. Very good. Yes. I down play, I down play. Ghana, I down play. Everybody, I down play. India.
And then she did some shopping, bought some crafts so she can take back home with her. We also visited the newly renovated Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park, where we heard about the life of Kwame Nkrumah, his birth, professional life, his political career and life as a president, his family life, and also about his death and legacy. We visited the museum, the mausoleum, his resting place. So the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park is not new. It's been around since 1991. It has been open to the public since 1992, but last year it was closed down for renovation. And so it was just a couple of weeks ago that it was actually opened. Currently, the entrance fees for the park is 100 cedis for foreigners, adults, and then 25 cedis for Ghanaian adults. I'm going to keep all the details in the description box so you can check it out. I've also done a couple of videos on this place, so you can go through my channel and see the videos in much more detail. Of course, we did a stop at the Black Star Square and Black Star Gate. And then to the National Museum. National Museum, we headed to Makola. After, grabbed some coconut, and then we finally headed out to have lunch.
Roslyn, check us out. Yeah, it's good. How's it taste? Good.
So yes, we did have some great lunch at Gold Coast Restaurant. Unfortunately, we were way into the food before I realized that, oh my goodness, I didn't take a picture or video. But yeah, we still had great lunch anyway, and this tour was amazing. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as you know, I don't joke with my photos, so there's a lot of them that I took. Guys, I'm going to remind you again, don't forget, if you're heading to Ghana, you know a group or a family who's headed here, it will be an absolute pleasure to host them. Hit me up through my email address or any of my social media handles, and I will be glad to show you around.